Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
It's all about we have to plant something.
Jamaican farmers.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
We ready and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. In today's video, it's all about my lettuce is seeding. Okay, so this is the only way I can get more sucker from one lettuce plant. And if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Welcome back to the channel. Don't move. When preparing the lettuce to seed, after planting the lettuce, you leave one of the sucker to grow. Yeah, let it grow and grow and grow and grow, tall as ever, until you see it start to show this sign. Alright, these are the seed. Let me give you a better view. These are the seed up here. Alright, these are the seed. These are the seeds, my viewers. So soon as the seeds reach to perfection, you pick it, cut it off, let it dry. After dry, you know you can sow your seed. There's a lot more lettuce from that, from the one plant. What you doing here? What you doing here? You can't plant anything?
Please like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.
In this TV back here, I have a lettuce here. Okay, it's been a while since it is here. I'm waiting on it to seed so I can dry back the seed and re-sow it. Okay, so as you can see, my viewers, this is the beauty. All right, this is the beauty of the lettuce. This lettuce is a mixed lettuce. Yeah, it is not the normal lettuce. So as you can see from the one root of lettuce, I have a lot of seed up here. So soon as these seeds are ready to put to dry, I'm gonna dry them, yeah, so that I can get them to replant, so I don't have to buy no more seeds. So as you can see, my viewers, it is very easy. It is very easy to have a plantation, to have a farm, a garden where you can plant something. All right, yeah, as you can see here, this branch here is also started to seed. Yeah, my viewers, it's all about you can plant something, plant anything you use inside the kitchen, you can plant it. If you plant if you cut a sweet pepper in the kitchen, you can dry the seed and plant it. All right, so my viewers, stick around, I have a lot more to show you guys. This is how I dry my seed, you know. I just put them here under this little shed here. So these are some pumpkin seed, as you can see. Yeah, these are some pumpkin seed. All right, so soon as them dry, yeah, if I don't plant all of them, I put the rest in the fridge. Yeah, my viewers, these are some sweet pepper seed. All right, so these are the pepper that I use into the kitchen. All right, I use these pepper in my kitchen. So after cut what I want of the pepper, this is where I put the seed. Put the seed into some paper to dry. You understand? So you don't have to put them into the sun. You just leave them same place inside of the kitchen and the kitchen counter for them to dry normally. You don't put them into the sun, all right? So soon as these seeds dry, yeah, they're ready to plant. Okay? You can get a piece of paper towel, wet it with some rainwater, sprinkle some seed on it, get the next piece and wet it and cover them for 3 days before plant. You know what I mean? Yeah. Them after the 3 days, them started to sprout, you know, ready to plant. All right. So yes, as you can see, I have 2 different pieces of paper here with 2 different seeds. This is the red. This is the red pepper. This is the red pepper. And this one is the yellow pepper. So you know it is 2 different seed and it is 2 different variety of pepper. All right. So yes. You know, most words give me that hill to climb. Yes. So yeah, this yellow pepper here, it is a very delicate pepper. It don't take the water as much as the red one do. All right. It don't take the sunlight as much as the red one do. So you have to separate them. You understand? So this is the way you know the yellow seed from the red seed. I'm gonna show you a next trick that you can do after leaving the kitchen with the kitchen scraps. All right, stick around. As you can see here, these are some scallion. Yeah, I take from the kitchen because have them at a spot where I never remember them, so them get dried, old and dried. So I cut off the top of them. Yeah, get a little pan with a little bit of water and put them in yesterday. From yesterday until this morning, just one night. Look what is happening. This is what happening. Started to root. All right. So yeah, this is how you keep them alive. So soon as it send out more root, you can plant it in the garden. Very easy. You don't have to go back to the market. It is very easy and simple. Yeah. If you buy a pound of Irish potato, yes, you can take the smallest one, put it on the kitchen window. Yeah. By a couple days, it started to germinate. You know what I mean? Started to sprout. It is very easy to plant something. Yeah? You plant it in the earth. Sooner or later, you're going to get more than a pound of Irish potato or sweet potato, any one of them. Okay? Yeah. Carrot is the same. When you cut the top of the carrot off, that same little piece can plant. You put it into a little water and it started to sprout, started to root. You can plant it back. It is very easy. Plant what you use in the kitchen. And all those crops that you use from the kitchen, it is the fertilizer for the garden. So you throw it back into the garden. All right? Yeah, you throw it back into the garden. As you can see here, I'm going to show you what's going on here. All the cuts from the plants is inside here. Banana skin. Yeah, all that is vegetable. It is fertilizer back for the plantation, as you can see. Yeah, it is fertilizer back to the plantation. All right. Yeah. All right. This is a planting sucker. I planted this planting sucker 3 days ago. All right. And before plant, and as you can see, some pepper is over here. Some cut pepper is over there. Yeah. You throw it back into the garden for mulch. All right. Okay. The planting here, as you can see, most places you plant a planting sucker, it does not grow or it does not stay there for a long while. It started to grow and then it stopped. Okay. Here the thing with planting now. When you dig the hole, you can throw some bush inside there and burn it. Or if not, you get a fireside, you take out the ashes, throw it inside the hole, then you plant the planting and then you throw back some of the ashes around it. So like here now, all down inside here is ashes. As you can see, some is over here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw some more around here. You know, this keep away the insect from the root of the planting. So once you keep away the insect from the root of the planting, yeah, it get to grow. You know, it get to grow. All right. So as you can see it right here, I'm gonna clean out right here. I'm gonna weed out all those bushes there. But you know, just for now, just to keep the animal out. As you can see, that is a barrow. Yeah, I'm just backing around to keep out the animals, you know what I mean? So yes, that is it with plant and sucker. It is a very delicate plant. You understand? And as you can see here, I'm in the sunshine here, and I have some nice corn plant here. Okay, I planted these corns about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, nice, lovely corns. All right. Yeah, as you can see, I have a chocho here. The reason why the chocho is here and put it here to start it to sprout. And as you can see, it is started to sprout. All right. So soon as it's ready to plant, someone is gonna come and ask, "Can I get a chocho to plant?" That's it. And as you can see here, this is a pepper seed that I throw here because everything I use in the kitchen, everything I use inside the kitchen, I throw it out here. All right. As you can see, this is the cut of the scallion. It is here. As you can see here, there are some sucker, sweet pepper sucker. Everything I get, I throw it inside here. So when I'm ready, I just transplant them where I want them. All right. Tomato. I have 3 tomato plant here. I have 3 tomato plant, and soon as these tomatoes start to grow, I can cut stem half them and transplant them back in the ground. So that is how I get more sucker from the tomato. All right. Yeah. These tomato is the DRD tomato hybrids. All right. Very easy to grow. But what I'm trying to do with it, you know, I am a organic person, so I don't put fertilizer. I don't buy fertilizer to put to these plants. You know what I mean? I always make my own fertilizer. These tomatoes are hybrids, but I don't give them no fertilizer. I try to make my own fertilizer with them. You understand? Just as how I do with the lettuce. The lettuce is a hybrid lettuce, but I don't give it any fertilizer or no nutrients. I make my own nutrients and fertilizer for it because I'm trying to keep the plants organic. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's the way to go, organic, alright? Yeah, this little plant here I have, a plantation here I have at home. It is very fruitful. Yeah. Very much fruitful, as you can see. Very much fruitful. Yeah. So right about now I'm trying to get it bigger. So but I have to fence it. Okay, this is a banana plant that I showed recently in my live video. Yeah, growing higher and higher, taller and taller. All right. Round here I have a pumpkin root here. And as you can see, the one pumpkin root is spreading all over. I have two chocho, two of the green chocho plants around here. Just plant recently, just started to run. Okay. So yes, my viewers, it's all about plant something, and as you can see, the wasp is feeding from the chocho blossom. All right, that is nature of life. So yes, my viewers, stick around. You will see more. I'm going to show you my fencing instead of buy a roll of hog wire. This is my fencing. As you can see, I'm here in the woods. You know what I mean? Yeah. So this is my fencing. My people, to get out animals. You know what I mean? So right now, I'm planning to carry the fencing all the way up. As you can see, I fall this tree lately. You know? Yeah. Because it was shedding the whole place. So I'm going to carry the fencing up. Right up, come back to the house, you know, to have this surrounding. So that little bush over there, yeah, soon gonna get rid of that. You know what I mean? As you can see, the chocho plant spread all over. Yeah, all over. I can't stop it from grow. So I just leave it, make it grow naturally. Anywhere it want to go, it go. If it go up into the tree, I will go up there for it. All right. So yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. We have to plant something. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's all about we have to plant something. See? Yeah, it is the way to go. Have to do something. Have to plant something into the ground. You know what I mean? Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. And if you want to see the first video I do here at home, yeah, you can check it right here, right up here, right up here, right up here on the screen. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, man. Any question, leave it in the comment box below. All right, my name is Everton. Peace. And if you want to watch the next video, you can watch this one here, or you can watch this one over here. Seeing? Peace. Enough blessings, my viewers and subscribers.